Hey y'all, so as the title says, I'm going to be showing you guys a twist out using some foaming mousse today. So I got my hands on the Grapeseed collection from Aunt Jackie's. It comes with the Power Wash Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo, the Rescue Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner, the Ice Curls Glossy Curly Jelly, the Frizz Patrol Anti-Poof Twist and Curl Setting Mousse, which is the mousse I'll be using today, and it comes with the Shine Boss Sheen Mousse and Slick Flexible Styling Glue. So first up is the clarifying shampoo, and it's been a minute since I clarified my hair, and you guys were asking me about this collection, so the timing actually worked out perfectly when I noticed it had a clarifying shampoo. This shampoo comes out thick. It almost feels like aloe vera gel, and when I rub it into my hands, it melts it into like a watery consistency just like aloe vera gel does too. But when I put it on my hair, it lathered up extremely well. So a lot of shampoos be advertising that they're clarifying shampoo, and I always tell y'all what it's really like when I put it on my hair. And this is really clarifying, y'all. Like for me, especially because my hair is colored, I only clarify every 60 to 90 days unless I really, really need it. And the purpose of clarifying is to remove all the product buildup and residue off our hair. And the benefit of that is it makes the hair shinier, fluffier, and lightweight. And it also helps your hair absorb moisture because if you have a lot of product buildup, the buildup is going to block out the moisture you're trying to put on. Now, how often you need to clarify is really based off of your texture, your routine, and the type of products you use. I tend to stay away from heavy products. You guys see me with a lot of lightweight products in my hand when I do these videos. So I don't clarify as often, but it is possible for someone to have to clarify every 2 to 4 weeks versus the 8 to 12 weeks that I do. So yeah, like I said, this is a clarifying shampoo. So was my hair soft after I rinsed it out? No ma'am. But it was not matted, and that's what I hate about clarifying. Sometimes they tangle my hair, especially at the roots, but this didn't. It also didn't bleach my hair bad, so I would use this as a clarifying shampoo again. So next, I followed it up with the recovery conditioner. This is a deep conditioner. It's called the recovery conditioner because it's specifically designed to follow up after clarifying with that shampoo. Like the rest of the collection, it has grapeseed in it, which is supposed to be good for locking in moisture, preventing frizz, and it's also good for split ends. I also saw it's good for strengthening hair because it's rich in vitamin E, which helps build tissue, which is good for the scalp, and fatty acids, which is protein, so that's good for repairing actual hair strands. This conditioner also has castor oil and tamarind oil in it, which is also good for dryness and damage as well. So this did soften my hair right back on up. It's important when you clarify to use a very powerful deep conditioner to restore all the moisture and balance your hair back out. And my natural curl pattern is trying to come through. That's another benefit of clarifying. It helps your curls pop because they aren't weighed down by product buildup anymore. So I left that on for about 20 minutes and rinsed. I did send under the dryer as well. And I followed it up with a leave-in conditioner, and then I went ahead to the Twist and Curl Setting Mousse. So because it said twist on it, and because I did that wash and go with some mousse a while back that had me completely shook, if you missed that, go ahead and click the iCard above. But yeah, because it said twist on it, I decided to go ahead and try it out for a twist out. And I'm not going to lie, I was worried about my hair being dry or bushy because, you know, when we do our twists, we slop our hair down in some creams or some butters. And I just wanted to see what was up there. I wanted to try it out because that wash and go really had me curious as to what else a mousse could do besides doing rod sets. So this mousse is super lightweight. It made my hair so soft when I applied it. And y'all can see as I started brushing my hair out, my curls were already popping. So I am doing a 3-strand twist. That is my go-to for twist outs. And if you're new to my channel, I did that for years before I was able to actually master the 2-strand twist out, which I didn't do until like a year or two ago. But if you want to see a detailed video on my 3-strand twist out, go ahead and click right here. Now, I will say this mousse made my hair feel easier to twist because it's so light. It was like less, my hand was slipping less. It was just easier to manage my hair. I also noticed that my twists are kind of smaller than normal, although I think I'm doing the same size I normally do. I wasn't sure if that meant anything, but I peeped it and wanted to let y'all know. And yeah, my hair dried so much faster than it did with creams and butters, which is to be expected because the mousse is a much lightweight product than an actual cream or butter. And I didn't even sit under the dryer. When I woke up the next day, my hair was actually completely dry. So this is the next day, and I'm going to use the Shine Mist to unravel and separate my hair. And I used a lot of it because it has grapeseed oil in it, and it's a very lightweight oil, and it's one of the few oils that isn't greasy, so you can use a whole lot of it without worrying about your hair being weighed down or you looking all oily on your face and whatnot. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead, separate fluff, and show y'all the end result. So this is the ending result, y'all, and this volume is major. Like, this looks like day 2-3 hair. So that right there sold me on doing it again. As far as the hold, it is a soft hold, so my hair is a little frizzier than normal, but I'm a volume person. I will sacrifice some definition for some volume, and this volume is crazy, y'all. Like, look at my hair. My hair looks so big for it to be day 1 hair. I also feel like my hair feels a little smoother and silkier than normal. So would I do it again? Abso-freaking-lutely. And I'll just use a heavier leave-in next time because I feel like the mousse won't flake. I used a lot of mousse, y'all saw, and my hair didn't flake at all. So I feel like I can pair it with a heavier leave-in next time. So this collection did not come with a leave-in either. I forgot to mention that. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Y'all finna try this mousse twist out or nah? Like, sound off in the comments and let me know what you think. And that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe before you leave.